everyone, welcome to my learning video. With me, my name is Luh Putu Saraswati, but you just can call me Saras. So in this learning video, I would guide you to make job application letter. So, alright, let's follow me. So I know you will have question in your mind like, do we need to learn how to write a job application like that? What is the letter for? So definitely yes, learning how to write a job application letter is really important, especially for you, for senior high school students, particularly in 12th grade that will graduate. So this skill will be useful if you want to start working right after the graduations. Even if you are planning to go to the college, knowing how to make a good job application letter still be useful for future opportunities. All right, so let's follow me to know how to write a job application letter. All right, first, what is job application letter? So, job application letter is a formal document that you send along with your resume when applying for a job. So, the main purpose is to introduce yourself to the employer and highlight your qualifications, skill, and experiences that make you a suitable candidate for the position. All right. So, do you know what are we learning today? So today we are learning to identify the format of job application letter. Right, number two is recognize the things that we need to apply a job. So that's not only the letter, but we must put the other documents to attach in your job application letter. And then finally, we will write a job application letter. So, all right, students, this is the format how to make a good job application letter. So the first thing we must do is put the application's address in the right corner of the letter. So application address is your address. So it consists of your full name and then your address, your city, state, and zip code, and then your phone number. And the last one is your email address. And then put date above of your application address. And then the second one is put the company's address in the left side. So company's address consists of recipient's name and the recipient's title, and then what is the job of recipients, and then company's name, and then the last one is company's address. And then next we make the salutations. So salutation is consists of dear. We can write dear madam or dear Mr., dear Mrs., like that. And then the next one is opening paragraph. In the opening paragraph, we must introduction ourselves and then explain about the position that we interested in the company, and then source of information, when and where you see the information about this job. And then don't forget to explain your reason why you interest in that position in that company. And the next one is body letter. So in body letter, you must put the educational background. So mention your educational qualification relevant to the job. And then your key skills. Mention specific skill that make you a strong candidate for the role. So, and then relevant experience. So highlight your work's experience in this body letter. So in the body letter, you put educational background and then your case skill and relevant experience. And then next is attachment document. So unless the job application letter, you must attach these documents. So here I attach some documents, calculation material. So the first one is curriculum vitae or CV, and then your photocopy of ID card. In Indonesian, we call KTP, and then the photocopy of degree certificate. You can put the last degrees, your degree certificate. It is senior high school, maybe, and then photocopy of the last transcript, and then your formal photo, just one sheet. And then for the closing paragraph, state your availability for an interview and include your contact number or email. And then for closing, you can write sincerely and then your signature, and the last one, you type your name. So that's all the format how to make a good job application letter. Now I will show you my example of job application letter. So you can see in the right corner I put my address, my name, my full name, where I come from, and then my number, and then my email address, and then the date of making this job application letter. And the next one is recipient's address. So it is include the name and the title, and then the address of company and the name of company. And then I have salutations. So my salutation is Dear Miss Riri Trintayani. Alright, after salutations, I have opening paragraph. So in the opening paragraph, I clearly state what position I want in that company, and then where I found that information about the job. And then the second paragraph is the body paragraph. I introduce myself, and then my educational background, and then my case skill, and then in the paragraph, in the closing paragraph, I clearly state my skill, and then my attachment document, I put it curriculum vitae, and then photocopy ID or KTP, and then photocopy of my last degree certificate, and then my last transcript, and then my one photo, it is the formal photo. And then for the closing paragraph, I state my availability for in this interview, and then my number or my email, and then I don't forget to say thank you. And the last one, I put in the closing, I put sincerely and my name. And don't forget to put your signature between your sincerely and your name, your full name. So I hope you can write your own job application letter from my example. Alright, so as I said before, we must put the attachment documents in our job application letter. So the documents are, the first one is curriculum vitae or CV, and then your photocopy of ID card, in Indonesian is KTP, and then the photocopy of degree certificate, it can be your last degree certificate, and then your formal photo. All right, so you already know what the document must be put in the job application letter. So the first one is the application letter, and then the curriculum vitae, and then your last degree certificate, and then your photocopy of ID card, it is the KTP, and then the last one is your formal photo. So you must put it all documents in one folder like this one. like this one, and then you must have an envelope like this. So you can put all of these documents in this envelope. Then you can close the envelope. So now you can apply job in your company. Alright, so that's all of my learning video. I hope it will be useful for you and for us. So, alright students, that's all of my learning video. I hope it will be useful for you if you want to apply a job in a company. So, thank you for watching my learning video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.